Now, first things, Private, let's go ahead and recap those scores, y'all. Currently in first place, we've got the Calico Town team.
We will soon be ours.
Woo! Okay.
All right. Also tied for first place with Feel Your Pain, Miss Vicky, is the Mad Bug Brigade.
We're the Mad Bugs, and we are great. We love winning. It is our fight.
And in second place, we've got the Mayfield Marauders.
Oh.
Mayfield, we are better. M is our very first letter.
Here to explain the rules of the game is a man who looks great in blue and yellow. Wouldn't you agree? It's Private Heads.
Oh,
Hey.
Major. My secret is I look good in everything.
Okay.
Let's go to the gaming area, folks.
Woo!
Once you come back, you're gonna either tag the next pair or just walk by them and then they're gonna go. It'll be one pair at a time and one newspaper at a time, folks. We got the Major here today, so no fun. I mean, no cheating. No cheating at all. No.
Right, yes.
There's
Got it.
plenty of fun to have.
As the Private said, a word about that. Any team found to be delivering more than one newspaper at a time or going before their next pair was tagged will be automatically demoted to third place. So don't ruin it for the rest of your team, y'all. Major's got an eagle eye and she hates fun. No, I mean she doesn't stand for cheating.
Right.
Doesn't stand for cheating.
Yeah, no
For those
cheating.
of you who may be wondering, we have had 3 last place before.
Ooh.
All right. With that being said, y'all, who's ready to have some fun? Woo! The Private's bugle, my whistle will be the signal to start.
All right, we'll start in 3 seconds for some government-related fun. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Long stride, long stride, long stride, long stride.
Oh, you did got it. Go back.
Go back, back, there you go. Woo! Right, go, go, go. Woo! I guess we go back here. Okay. There you go, yeah. Okay, wait for it, and go for Calico!
You're doing great. It's number 4.
All right. Woo! For Calico! Wait, 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 wait. Go! For Calico!
You're doing great.
Thank you. Go! 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Back in town hall for the official results.
Oh my gosh.
That was fun.
That was super fun. Like, oh
It
my,
was so simple, but it was so fun.
right?
Yourselves a very well-deserved round of applause for the best delivery newspapers I ever seen in my entire life. Well done.
Big Spinoles would be proud, God rest his soul.
No, he's still alive. Pay attention. All right, y'all, in first place.
I hope so. He's our boss.
14 papers successfully delivered. We've got the Mad Bug Brigade.
The we are great. The we are winning is our fight.
In second place, with 13 papers delivered, we've got the Calico Town team.
Oh my stars! Victory will soon be ours. Whoa, Nelly! Give me the same. No, give me the same.
And also tied for second place with 13 papers successfully delivered, we've got the Mayfield Marauders.
We are better. M is our very first letter.
All right, y'all. Y'all, that was incredible. We're going to return here at 1:55 p.m. for our next game. All right, that's 1:55, 5 minutes to 2. Synchronize your timepieces. We'll see you back here. 1:55.
And some of you need to synchronize your cheers.
Sure.
Oh!
Okay.
We just learned it.
1:55. See you later. Get it. Private.
I'm gonna type right now.
All right. See you later.
Charlie Brown is
Not bad, second place.
Do you think that's the guy we're looking for?
That must be the guy we're looking for.
Let us ask.
That's an interesting thing.
Yeah.
Is there a reason why you want this man named Jasper?
Well, first off, to congratulate him on a job well done.
Oh, a job well done.
Yeah.
What did he do that was a job well done?
Well, win the games.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I'll introduce you to Jasper. Hey, Jasper! Yeah, that's me.
Oh, pleasure, Jasper.
Hi, Jasper.
Well, we wanted to join your group, but we heard that we had to know a secret handshake in order to.
Oh, you want to join the Maybug?
Yeah, we do.
Well, I don't know. Here, come in.
Okay.
Make sure no one watching you.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, I gotta be paid today. All right.
All right.
You want to join my guru? My
Yep.
social club?
Yep.
Yeah, see, I'm in a social club. Do you know our name?
The Mad
Mad
Boys.
Bucks.
Mad
Yeah, we the
Bucks.
Mad Bucks. But this is the thing, is I haven't told Lane, but I'm trying to be straight. Like I'm trying to not rob and stuff.
Ah,
But the
okay.
thing is, depending on where you guys go, I might swing the law pendulum this way and that way. Good side, rascally
I
side.
told you we could have robbed a bank.
Yeah,
No.
we could, but we gotta be smart about it. So you want to be a man buck?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna teach you secret handshake. What's your name?
Jake.
Jake. What's your name?
Rachel.
Rachel K.
Okay.
No, that's not the first step.
Okay.
It's wink, elbow,
Elbow.
shake.
Shake. Okay.
Wink, elbow, shake. Wink, elbow, shake. Ah, you good.
All right.
All right. Now you gotta take the oath. Raise your right hand.
All right.
Repeat after me.
All right.
I
I,
state your name.
Jake,
Promise to be a mad buck
promise me a mad buck
through and through.
through and through.
If I get caught,
If I get caught,
I won't blame the others.
I won't blame the others.
But if they go to jail,
But if they go to jail,
I'll get them out.
I get them out.
Say yeehaw!
Yeehaw!
Yeah!
All right, would you like to get your tattoo?
I'm more of a non-tattoo.
I would love
not
a tattoo.
You want your tattoo?
I want a tattoo.
See that fella right there? High looking glass. If you follow them, show them the secret handshake, they'll get you a tattoo brand right on your arm.
Heck
All
yeah,
right.
let's do it.
Get
All
one.
the way to the barber shop.
Thank you.
Now, you gotta do the secret handshake.
Right.
Ask for the MB tattoo.
MB tattoo.
Yeah, but make sure it's hidden.
Okay.
All right, bye.
Gotcha.
Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, we got it.
So it's
Nice. So it's in reverse.
so what is it?
So it's the
Wink,
wink,
elbow shake.
elbow, shake. It's in reverse.
Thank you, sir. What's your
So
name?
wink, elbow, shake.
We heard about a tattoo that we wanted to get.
Oh, we would definitely not do any tattoos here, okay?
Ah.
If anyone's asking, alright?
Well, what if I gave you a secret handshake?
I still would not do any tattoos,
So
alright?
what if I winked,
Uh-huh.
gave you elbow,
Uh-huh.
and then shook?
Uh-huh. Well then go ahead and have a seat right over
All
there.
right.
I'll take that.
100% getting the haircut.
Yeah, no worries. I'll be your lookout, Rachel.
All right.
Now this is the brand. Where would you like said brand placed at?
Have a place right here.
Right on over there? Alright, perfect. And where are my manners? I got my hat on and I'm indoors. I'm sorry.
Oh,
Sometimes I lose myself. Although I understand that there's some folks that insist on keeping their hats on based off personal preferences or
yeah.
perhaps religion. So I never tell anybody to take theirs off. They can keep theirs on if they decide to. So where are you folks coming from?
That's a good question. Where did we come from?
Colorado.
Colorado?
Colorado territory, huh? All right. How are things out there right now?
Hot?
Very
Hot?
hot.
Anything like this?
A little bit hotter.
Yeah, a little bit harder than.
Yeah, actually we've had a very mild summer. Normally it's been like triple digits, but This year it seems like we can't really get too much past 90 or so, but it has been humid over here. I mean,
Oof, yeah.
nobody's business.
Oh, yeah.
High up there?
For sure.
So I'm just wiping it down first. I just want to make sure that the area is sanitized.
Of course. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Doctor that owns this establishment, he likes to run a clean operation. He insists that it's good for the health.
Mm-hmm.
I would like to live after this.
Yep.
Thank you.
Now, this ain't gonna hurt none, but it's gonna be real wet, okay?
Alright.
Oof.
You
I
think
hope.
you can handle it?
I can handle it.
Alright. You're not gonna start melting on me, are you?
Nope.
Welcome back. I'm gonna go nice and slow. So I find that's usually the best way to do it. Nice and slow.
One eye.
Alright, there you go. That's an MB. That stands for the Mad Bucks.
Woo!
Alright?
Oh, my.
There we go.
Nice. Well, thank you so
Try
much.
not to touch it or scratch it. Go ahead and let it dry, alright?
I'll put it up there.
And make sure to show that off to Mr. Jasper, alright? Let him know that you're there.
Will do.
Alright?
Thank you so much.
Now remember, that didn't come from here, alright?
You got it.
No
Yeah.
idea how I got it.
No idea. Right? Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Woo!
I feel like a mouse.
Yeah. All right. The things that we had to do to report.
Oh, he's up there.
Oh, perfect. All right. He's like, what do you have to do to get your story? We had to get a tattoo. And I'm wearing it proud.
Yeah.
Thanks for taking one for the team.
Mother's baby. There we go.
That's a good one. Mother's baby.
Well, what do we have to report?
Well, we found the secret handshake.
For the Mad Bucks?
Yep.
All right, let's have it.
And the sweet tattoo.
Holy smokes, you're one of them, are you?
Well, it was-
I just
no.
wanted the tattoo.
No.
That is commitment.
Right? Yeah.
That is commitment for the undercover. Wow, getting
Yep.
a tattoo.
Yep, took one for the team.
Smokes. Congratulations. Good. Let me shake your hand. Let me shake both of your hands. Got
Oh,
the
thank
skin
you.
to work.
Thank you.
All right, what's the secret handshake?
Wink. Elbow.
Elbow.
Yeah, Mayfield's but in reverse.
Oh, yes! Oh, I was like, well, where have I heard this?
Yeah.
Well, that's very crafty of them. I wonder who came up with which handshake first.
That's a good question.
Well, now that you have gained their trust, did you find out any inside information?
Well, unfortunately, both of them said they were coming clean.
Really?
However,
Yeah.
Coming clean.
Yeah, coming clean.
That
Yeah.
is quite the story. All right. However,
Yeah, however.
I think it was, what was his name?
Jasper.
He said he would swing the law pendulum back and forth,
Depending. Yeah.
depending
Yeah, it's very depending.
on what one of the Mad Bucks wanted to do. So, a bank robbery could be in the future.
Could be.
possible bank robbery.
Possible bank robbery.
Okay. How do you spell your name again?
Rachel. R-A-C-H-E-L.
Got it. You'd be surprised how many different ways people spell Rachel. I just want to
Yeah, this is.
be sure.
Oh, yeah.
How do you spell your name?
Oh, Jake. J-A-K-E.
Again, you'd be surprised.
Yes.
All right, perfect. Undercover. Okay. Well, let's see here. What time is it?
It's like.
Oh! Well, the next game is going to be at 1:50 at Town Hall. Do you think you could cover that story and let me know who wins the next competition?
You got it. Yeah, we actually participated in the last one, surprisingly. So,
Who won that last competition?
the Mad Bucks.
I see.
But we tied for second though.
All right, no worries. Oh, wonderful. Okay. A delivery.
Ooh, delivery.
Outstanding. Give me.
Yay!
Perfect. Perfect. Oh,
Awesome.
I'll make sure I get that on the next train first thing in the morning. Thank you so much.
anything for the teacher? We're the new one.
Oh, perfect. Well, let me check. Give me 1 second. So, while you folks, remember, enjoy yourselves today. It is Founders Day.
Oh, yeah.
It's not all work and, getting reports. Enjoy yourselves. Your next assignment is well, Lane, Winters, and Jasper, they do have a lot of sacks of money.
Yep.
Okay, maybe there's no time to relax. Maybe you should investigate. All right.
Yeah, we're down.
Then cover that story at Town Hall at 1:50, okay?
Sound good.
All right, thank you.
Awesome.
What can I help you with? To be a
Yeah.
reporter? Absolutely.
All right. Hopefully, since you got the tattoo, we gain their trust. So maybe if we find out, okay, maybe if we find out where they store the money, we can bring it back. Ooh, that's a good idea.